Isa ang sinasabi nila.
Don't get discouraged. If you believe in what you're doing, just keep going.
In business as in life.
You have to know how to listen.
Dapat praktikal.
Ang sikreto hindi yung gaano kalaki ang kita mo. Ang sikreto kung gaano kalaki lumalabas sa pera mo.
At higit sa kompetisyon, maging inspirasyon.
Talagang bibigyan mo na lahat. Kaya sabihin sa mga utang.
Go Negosyo, Sabado sa GMA Live TV.
Hello everyone, I'm your chef Mom Ruth Badinita. Interesting ang mixture. We have the cocoa powder, brown sugar, may cumin pa, tapos konting chili flakes. Parang once you have a serving of cocoa, you feel lighter, you feel better. It's also rich and antioxidant. Once you eat something that is colorful, mas lalo kang gaganahan. Napakasarap na dish, of course, in less than 10 minutes.
Get down to walk on Quickfire, Monday to Friday
Ay na!
on GMA Live TV.